Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have specifically have a particular library that have a lots of animated loaders. Yeah, that's it. That is the only purpose of sharing this video, because this often happens. Like, we made a great looking UI, like really sophisticated or maybe really modern, really cool looking UI, but we don't add any loaders because they aren't easy to make. First of all, if you are making it from ground, and second, they are not easy to found. Okay, so that's why our today's library gonna come handy. So let's get started and see what we have today. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So as you can see, today we have loaders. Yeah, that's its name, and it's from UI Ball. Maybe they will like release more projects here. That's why they have like kept it in what, in a sub lung, yeah, made it as a page. And a cool thing you will notice over here, see the animation, how great it is, right? Like, really quirky, but great. And so here are the loaders, and it's available as an npm package. You can use it anywhere, like html, normal html, css, and as well as react component. Okay, and it is like the github repo is also available. That means obviously it's gonna be a open source project. Yes, mit license open source project, so contribute to it, support it, contribute to it, do a lot of stuffs. And here we have the simplest way to add it, like install the npm package, import it, and add it. That's it. And now let's see the variations of loaders that we are getting, because that's most important. So here are the normal, like round and round ones. Here are the like bar ones. Here is like swing toggles. You have seen these, and this same thing in three orientation, but this is a little bit different. It's going zigzag. Then we have this one, three rounds, and you have seen this many times. This as well. I haven't seen this anywhere, so this is great. Not these also, not this also. So yeah, those are some new additions. You have seen this, but not this maybe. You have seen this as well. Like, all of those are, but this is great. Like, how fluid they are. That really look great, right? And here are some others, and here are lines, and that's it. That's about it. Yeah, that covers all of the loaders that we have. But one thing you have to say, like, those are really great. And how many loaders to in total we have? So we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 rows, three, 8 rows, and three column. So that means 24 loaders we have. So yeah, lots of option to choose from. But I don't think that they have a lot in it to customize, to be honest, because if I go to GitHub, yeah, basic usage is over here. Options, in options we have ring size. Okay, size we have. Okay, what ring, what kind of a ring we are using over here? Ring size. Okay, those are the parameters or props that you can change. We can change size. Okay, color, color, yeah, color, yeah, that is a thing we should be able to change. Then speed. Okay, then we have line weight. Okay, line weight is important, that is also great. And that's it. Those are the four props that we have. Actually, though, maybe those are the four props we actually need. Rather than that, yeah, it will be overwhelmed. Yeah, maybe those are the four things that we need at all. So yeah, that's about it. That's how easy it is to use. That's how like super simple this library is. Use any of the loader that you want and make your great UI experience, because loader is important for UX. Okay, keep that in mind, because whenever like your server is loading or taking a little time, showing a loader to a person will like make them to stay longer in your page. Like they will have the patience to stay, because at least you are showing something like the loader. Okay, so always show a loader in terms of UX perspective as well. So basically that's about it about this whole website, whole library. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you know about some of the great apps or libraries like that, please let me know about them as well, so I can feature them in my future video. And please do like this video if you like this one, comment down below, share it with your friends, like search my channel multiple times, whatever, do whatever, just boost up the YouTube algorithm, so that I can get some engagement as well. So that's it, bye.